You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment to stay fit. In fact, you can build strength, burn calories, improve mobility, and stay healthy using nothing but your own body. Today, we're going through 10 simple daily exercises that you can do anywhere, at home, outside, or even in a small space. These movements work your entire body, improve energy levels, and help you stay consistent without excuses. Let's begin. 1. Body weight squats. We start with a basic but powerful movement, the body weight squat. Squats strengthen your legs, glutes, and core, and they train your body for everyday movements like sitting, standing, and lifting. How to do it? Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest lifted and your core tight. Lower your hips back and down as if sitting in a chair. Push through your heels to rise back up. Beginner, 10 to 15 reps. Intermediate, 20 to 30 reps. Squats improve balance, mobility, and calorie burn. They are one of the simplest ways to build lower body strength without equipment. 2. Push-ups. Next is one of the most effective upper body exercises, the push-up. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. How to do it? Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your body in a straight line. Lower your chest toward the ground, then push upward. If it's too difficult, do knee push-ups, do wall or countertop push-ups. Goal, 5 to 20 reps depending on your level. Push-ups build real-world strength that helps with posture and upper body conditioning. 3. Plank. The plank is one of the best exercises for core stability. It trains your abs, lower back, shoulders, and even your glutes. How to do it? Place your elbows under your shoulders. Keep your body straight from head to heels. Hold the position without letting your hips drop. Beginner, 20 seconds. Advanced, 1 minute. A strong core supports your entire body and reduces the risk of injury. 4. Glute bridges. Sitting for long periods weakens your glutes. Glute bridges help reactivate and strengthen them. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent. Push through your heels to lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower slowly. Beginner goal, 15 reps. Advanced, single leg bridges. Glute bridges help with posture, reduce lower back pain, and build hip strength. 5. Walking or marching in place. You don't need space to get your heart rate up. Simply walk or march in place. This improves blood flow, warms up muscles, and burns calories. How to do it? Lift your knees, swing your arms, maintain a steady pace. Goal, 2 to 5 minutes. This is a perfect warm-up or active rest between exercises. 6. Lunges. Lunges build lower body strength, stability, and balance. How to do it? Step forward with one foot. Bend both knees until your back knee nearly touches the ground. Push back to standing. Switch legs. Beginner, 8 to 10 reps per leg. Advanced, walking or jumping lunges. Lunges help improve coordination and correct muscle imbalances. 7. Chair dips. To strengthen your triceps and upper body, try chair dips. You only need a sturdy chair or bench. How to do it? Keep your hands on the chair behind you. Lower your body by bending your elbows. Push back up. Beginner, 8 to 10 reps. Advanced, extend your legs straight. Chair dips improve upper arm and shoulder strength without equipment. 8. Superman. The Superman exercise strengthens your lower back and improves posture. How to do it? Lie face down. Lift your arms, chest, and legs. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Lower with control. A goal, 10 to 12 reps. This movement strengthens the muscles that support your spine. 9. Bicycle crunches. For a complete core workout, bicycle crunches engage the abs and obliques. How to do it? Lie on your back. Lift your shoulders. Bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. Twist slowly while alternating sides. Beginner, 20 seconds. Advanced, 45 to 60 seconds. The controlled twisting motion improves rotational strength and core stability. 10. Wall set. The wall set is a simple endurance exercise that strengthens your entire lower body. How to do it? Press your back against a wall. Lower until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Hold the position. Beginner, 20 to 30 seconds. Advanced, 1 to 2 minutes. It builds leg strength, stability, and mental endurance. Now let's organize these movements into a simple daily routine. You can follow this workout in just 10 to 15 minutes. 1. Squats, 20 reps. 2. Push-ups, 10 to 20 reps. 3. Marching in place, 1 minute. 4. Lunges, 10 reps per leg. 5. Plank, 30 to 45 seconds. 6. Glute bridges, 15 to 20 reps. 7. Chair dips, 10 to 15 reps. 8. Superman, 10 reps. 9. Bicycle crunches, 30 seconds. 10. Wall sit, 30 to 45 seconds. Repeat 1 or 2 rounds based on your fitness level. This routine targets your full body, improves strength, supports fat loss, and boosts mobility, all without needing equipment or a gym. You don't need machines, fancy gear, or a gym membership to stay fit. All you need is consistency and these simple exercises. If you do even a few of these movements every day, your body will feel stronger, more flexible, and more energized. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this routine, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment which exercise was your favorite. Stay healthy, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.